Here is a Driffle review. Driffle review is available on Safari, Chrome, or Google. Just search for driffle.com. But what is Driffle? Driffle is actually a one-stop shop for those digital games or games that you can download. So let's say, for example, you wanted to install some games on Nintendo. Click on the Nintendo options and you will see there all the games that you can purchase for Nintendo. Take note that you can only purchase digital games, not the CD games. So as you can see, there are a variety of games that you can choose from and select from. And then you can just go ahead and go straight to your cart options that actually located at the very bottom of the dashboard of the Driffle. You can also go ahead and click on the search button and search for games, gift cards, and any other games that you wanted to purchase. So this is good for players who wanted to purchase digital games easier.